Ever tried cutting steel with the wrong tool and turned your workshop into a spark storm? Slow cuts, rough edges, way more effort than it should take. Yeah, and there's a better way, because the right metal cutting saw doesn't just save time. It completely upgrades your precision, your speed, and the quality of everything you build. So today we're breaking down the top 5 best metal cutting saws you can buy right now. From budget-friendly workhorses to pro-level cutting machines. All the product links are in the description below, and yes, they're tagged for quick access. Let's fire it up. Starting at number 5 online, the Porter Cable PCE 700 Chop Saw. This is your entry point into serious metal cutting. Simple, affordable, and surprisingly powerful. You get a 15-amp motor driving a 14-inch abrasive wheel, which means it can handle steel, rebar, and more without hesitation. The quick release vise, super fast to clamp materials. Spindle lock, makes wheel changes easy. It's not fancy, but it gets the job done. If you're a DIYer or building your first workshop, this is a smart place to start. At number 4, the WEN 94396 Handheld Band Saw. This one completely changes how you work, because sometimes you can't bring the metal to the saw, so the saw comes to the metal. It's portable, compact, and fits right in your hands. But don't underestimate it. With up to 5-inch cutting capacity, it slices through pipes, conduit, and rebar with precision. Variable speed control lets you match the material, which means cleaner cuts and longer blade life. If you work on site or in tight spaces, this tool is a game changer. Coming in at number 3, the DeWalt DCS 373P2 Cordless Metal Cutting Circular Saw. No cord, no limits. Just fast, clean cutting wherever you need it. Powered by DeWalt's 20-volt system, this saw uses a carbide-tipped blade that cuts metal cool and smooth. Less sparks, less burr, less cleanup. And that built-in LED light? It keeps your cut line perfectly visible. Perfect for steel studs, sheet metal, or threaded rod. If mobility matters, this is one of the best tools you can carry. At number 2, the Evolution Evo Saw 380 Metal Cutting Chop Saw. This is where things get serious, because this isn't your typical chop saw. This is a cold cut machine. That means no sparks, no heat buildup, no messy edges. Just fast, clean, precise cuts that are ready to use immediately. It uses a high torque motor with a carbide blade. And the difference is night and day. If you're doing fabrication work or cutting metal regularly, this saves you time on every single cut. And finally, at number 1, the DeWalt D28715 Chop Saw. This is the king of traditional metal cutting. Raw power, built for work. With a massive 5.5 horsepower motor, this thing cuts through tough materials like it's nothing. But the real highlight? The quick change system. No tools, no downtime. Just swap the wheel and keep moving. Add in the quick adjust fence for accurate angles. And you've got a saw that's fast, durable, and built for professionals. If you want a proven heavy-duty workhorse, this is the one. So, which one should you choose? On a budget? Go Porter Cable PCE 700. Need portability? WEN Handheld Band Saw. Want cordless freedom? DeWalt DCS 373P2. Looking for clean, spark-free precision? Evolution EVOS AW380. Or for maximum power and reliability. DeWalt D28715 takes the crown. Here's the bottom line. The right metal cutting saw doesn't just make your job easier, it makes your work better. Cleaner cuts, faster results, less frustration. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. And tell me in the comments, what are you cutting most often right now? Hit like, subscribe for more tool breakdowns. And I'll see you in the next one.